Okay, we upgraded our Perego John Deere tractor. The tires were a little bit too slippery, so we, instead of using brand new bicycle tires, I just took some old tractor tires that I had and I cut the treads off and cut them in half and made a strip and screwed them in. So rather than spending money on brand new bicycle tires, we put a strip right down the middle of these tires because the thing wasn't getting enough traction to get up this ramp so that we could charge it, and that's where we put it for the night. And so he'd have to get a run for it and could barely get up there then. Bud, show him how creep up to the bottom of that ramp and show them how we go up there now.
I'm just gonna go slow.
Go fast, right to start.
Dad, I'm going fast and then slow.
Okay. It even pops a little willy when he puts the hammer down now because it gets some traction. Back down if you can. Okay, now go ahead up real slow. Just start out right at the bottom.
This up?
So if you're cheap like me and don't want to buy a brand new bicycle tire, if you can get tread off of an old beat up tractor tire or wherever, works fine for us.